Welcome to our channel. Enjoying Amazon Prime Video on your LG Smart TV requires a quick activation process. Step 1. Power on your LG Smart TV and make sure it's connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Press the home button on your LG remote to access the main menu and app launcher. Step 3. Navigate to the LG Content Store, which is the app marketplace for LG Smart TVs. Step 4. Use the search function to find Amazon Prime Video by typing in the search bar with your remote. Step 5. Select Amazon Prime Video from the search results and click the install button to download the app. Step 6. Wait for the download and installation to complete. The app icon will appear on your home screen once ready. Step 7. Open the Amazon Prime Video app by selecting it from your apps list. Step 8. The app will display a unique activation code on your TV screen. Make note of this code. Step 9. On your computer or smartphone, open a web browser and go to primevideo.com MyTV. Step 10. Sign in with your Amazon account email and password. Step 11. Enter the activation code shown on your TV and click the Register Device button. Your LG TV will automatically connect to your Amazon account and you can start streaming thousands of movies and shows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.